Yakato say Jumedi live YouTube handle. Who call YouTube and Nhyira TV na what subscribe ya video no went comment. Every premier to make in Kenny the amount say I would do now. So matches to in fact another game back to our friend league and your OG series Bobo Konomo I'm Olympic to myself moment tenenum. What would you back up America Bamiyang Enya go Sanso and amazing Greenwood one 2 goals Timothy we head back work and Sana Passau and some another goal Manchester Niama and so yeah come Edmo Olympic to myself Bobo Kono and the matches are at and say and I want coming in SC at I there's LCD loans Bobo Kono what would you for many Strawbag na Ebona Fair starting Rene or many AS Monaco or giving it to my trainer and Sana PS or many half and a Chelsea Elbow etna and I Sunday Pato there's Ejo Ojo or more and the Olympic Leon Eddie Sena Fair there's a started Braswa or many Mets Bobo Kono Elbow not and so any went in Elbow and Sana Chulu Bobo Kono Traffic or many Anke and so Eddie Sena and Sana Lee Metropomo and the Paris FC at the SNT and we are matches her Ebetoja Etina de Nano Peno Yakaka at the Masisiano who call League Log no so table no so PS Bobo Kono Tosmino Emom Jolidi Olympic to Marseille I had 28 points in the chrono and Sana PSG so our 27 points are Womo Tosmino me and Sano I LCD Loans Bobo Konamo our 25 points and Sano Babenya Strobaga Wadum Atosunai Womo 22 points and nay Wababenya Limetopo Motosu Aya Enum and Sia Aya S Monaco and the San and Commander City our Air Friend League and Nano Peno Yakatra Banan Tinato Padia Abrancha the Mason Greenwood 10 goals on the chrono and Sano Babenya Brantani Din Adi Joaquim Air Panacido no Equa Air 9 goals Esteban El Lupo Equa 8 no Anya Air Sofian Drop Wadusukra 6 Afe Pava Air 3 Wadukra 5 goals at Pierre America Bamiyang and Swekra 5 goals and a friendly gun in Kobaka Kra Toto Media Safe Yamasin Ko Italy na Yankodin Kobaka Kra Itala Crunches Ria but all the tenena matters Abason Kaglawe Catio Wabutra family 10 one elbow Dinichi and so any Bologna elbow Fiorentina Ebatana family 2 Fena elbow Nafe Yana Assassin Napoli Wamu and Atalanta Bobo Kono Adi Sena Tana matters are Atranino Ebena Aras Voronia Wamane Parma and a Disena Fiana Cremonese any AS Roma Afe Assassin Lazio Wamu and Sony Lete elbow Inter and Afe AS Milanti when and Sway Derby Atasania Milan Tabia Ebetota El Dumade Sumante Yebena Torino Monikobo Nanya Asa Solo ni Pisa Wamu Governor Tibatrande Adiasa Italian Serie table no said the city in Tabokono L 24 points Omuna LED AS Roma 24 Wamu Tosmi no Fe AS Milan L 22 Wamu Tosmi and Sam and Nino I Napoli Bobokono Wamu so 22 points na Fe Yenya Bologna no Atosunum or 21 points afe Wababenya Juve Wamu Atosusia 19 points ne Cromo Abanentina Todia Abrantani Dade Hakata Onoglo Ekra 5 goals Ricardo Aslani and Sukra 5 goals Zambo Anguiza 4 goals Ubenya Brantani Dade Andrea Panamonti Ono and so 4 goals and there's Angie Juan Airpone we now 4 goals Christian Pulisic win now and Sukra the same thing I know Kobaka Kra Etoja our Jumedia so but I one player Antina Twana Nehemiah Kama and the man you Nico Pass Essence Nico Passa where you play a mad in the about Toja Siano Uba Premier League Arsenal and switch so many Nico Passa one more epe Siciano Lilu Taro Martinez Nano 4 goals out to Miss Niemena and so I come now Okwa Germania and not that tier of Fiano Muka way to men's 5 and there's a what game no Aqua 1 Abranta the Daddy Hanty what on the go tier of Fian and Sana Dacosta and so Abatrano at the men's 5 and I game at Totana Osborne Google Kodom Betrefe Omega Elvi and this said and 2:30 after other matches are carrying 2:30 and also at 20 Yebenya Bayan no many back na elbow na Fiena Borussia Dortmund Womum Ansuni Stuttgart elbow Hedanium and Borussia Mönchengladbach and the elbow Wolves they say Nenu Hema Wolfsburg Bobo Kono Womum and so and Bayern of Leverkusen Nanya FC Colonna Womum and Frankfurt at this name at the matches are Todano I am Yemena St. Pauli Womum Union Berlin na Fiena RB Leipzig Common Veda Bremen and the Todasiciano that's Bayern 28 points in the Cromo Womu LED after RB Leipzig Tosumi Womu 22 points and now Borussia Dortmund Tosumi and Womu 21 points after Stuttgart at Tosu 9 Womu 21 points after Wababenya Bayern of Leverkusen Womu Tosunum Womu 20 points and then Insiano and so a team and the ade tie de Hofian Hurricane ekwa 13 goals abranta ne din enso ade ade Tabakovic wonum enso ekwa 6 goals and Luis kwa 6 goals abranta ne de Jonathan Baggett enso kwa 6 ade second Wuzan enso kwa 5 entim nano yankoma kakra etotwa ewo German Bundesliga and ana pen ye kache kakra enso ade down.
Okay, nti away from Germany yan transway na yan first stories ni bi emetie fo nyina e show no so live on Nhyira 104.5 FM na mame fantom ni say after FIFA international break no uko Spain aye matches a weekend we eba so na de tense enra el Messiah wom game back ko eba so na Valencia team no wom atena fi ehye back ko ema Levante wom antimante na de tense aye striker na fan Hugo Duro and said only go Edma Valencia e make it difference e game no na eno achi no ene Saturday about 1 o'clock p.m. El Estadio Mendizorosa your Deportivo Alaves Elfie wom ene Celta de Vigo enable and watch FC Barcelona El Spotify company about 3:15 p.m. wom bo team from say Athletic Club de Bilbao na the tense Barca for no the last time omubo game El Spotify company na a competitive game no mame fantom ni say na 28th May 2023 na chese na say 2023 yes na chese after 2 years 5 months 25 days a combine of 909 days afa na Barca team no wom return at the Spotify company na obeka 2 years ameka wasem no wom last game omo she Mallorca by 3 goals to 0 Mallorca team no wom antimantinti ene Barca return at the Spotify company na mame fantom ni say about 5:30 p.m. El Estadio El Sada El Pamplona your El Sasuna team El Fie wom any Real Sociedad enable and watch Villarreal El Estadio de Ceramica about 8 o'clock p.m. wom bo Mallorca Yankupon Adwa Ochena Sunday 1 o'clock p.m. Real Oviedo wom betrefie El Estadio Nuevo Carlos Tertiary wom any Rayo Vallecano enable and watch Real Betis El Estadio de La Catuja wom bo team from Girona at 3:15 p.m. after Getafe Evertrefie El Estadio Coliseum Alfonso Perez wom bo team from Atletico Madrid at 5:30 p.m. Ochena and a Sangam Ebaso na for Elche team no wom atrefie El Nitima je from Real Madrid abo 8 o'clock p.m. Ochena and a Sangam Ebaso na de tense Monday night football Ebaso El Spanish La Liga num na Yankupon Admo Monday ebo 8 o'clock p.m. Espanyol El Estadio Conella de Llobregat wom ebo Sevilla na mame fantom nim say after match week 12 El La Liga num Real Madrid team no and edi kan omo 31 points and watch Barca atosumie no wom El 28 your Villarreal omo tosumie sa omo 26 afi Atletico Madrid tosunai wom El 25 and afi Betis atosu enuma omo so El 20 points na the tese Pichichi top scorer El Spain okola Liga numa Real Madrid omo player na fene Kylian Mbappe and edi kan was 13 goals and watch Robert Lewandowski and Julian Alvarez wom nyina access 7 goals your Ita Young and afi Vadat Murugi wom so nyina access 6 goals afi Ferran Torres Juan Hernandez Boja Mayora and I say Abrante Fence Boja Iglesias Rada when Vinicius Junior omunyina so wom access 5 goals apiece and ano penya de won pina and Matthew for nyina El show so na away from Spain yan to so England na the tense over Premier League ma after FIFA international break no match week 12 and Ebaso na uti wo interim se Richard Kanyame adoma lunchtime at 12:30 p.m. El Turf Moor team from se Burnley Elfie wom and the Blues of Chelsea enable na game and won sempi Ebaso na the tense about 3 o'clock p.m. and the best 5 games Ebaso El Premier League na Bournemouth Everton El Vitality Stadium wom and West Ham United enable and watch Brighton and Hove Albion El American Express Community Stadium wom Brentford Fulham Everton Craven Cottage wom and Sunderland enable and watch Wolverhampton Wanderers about 4 and I said 3 o'clock p.m. rather wom any team from Crystal Palace enable na for Liverpool team no wom Atenafie or Anfield na omoni Nottingham Forest game abaso na mani kan catch us nyame aduma enawia Chelsea team kwa away wom any Burnley enable na manager fence Enzo Maresca one and boss and my team from Chelsea na Maresca yebusan say opening one next 3 games we go away against Burnley we are about Barca na what team from Arsenal na anyabia na Chelsea are ready says 3 games we no mu betima bo na ma win game no yentie Chelsea one manager fence Enzo Maresca
just try to continue to play in the way we want to play. As you said, for sure they are big team, but I was also happy with the performance against Bayern Munich, even if I was not happy with the result. But to go there against a team that in the last 5, 6, 7 years they always play semi-final, final, quarter-final, and to go there and play, face to face for moment of the game, we were quite good. So I want just to see the team in that way with the personality and also the belief that we can. I think we show.
Okay, the Blues of Chelsea, my manager fence Enzo Maresca, and our team manager and Case or Casano. Now, Uti Maresca ye pa was say young fan to be him say or no ever since Wabaya Juma as manager and my Chelsea no. The tense of big games are not Chelsea. One and your favorite Omatimawene. Now the tennis said this is in Champions League no. Womuka away against him from said by Munchen or Alliance Arena. Now Obian Sabaya team the ball Omni Bonemum, Sudden Omisa Chelsea Elusuye. Now on pet. Name Chelsea Monday Bono na e was so name de betimaka e de che obi an se Chelsea abo game a goma we ne omabo game o malusu nti gometima we ne game sanso na ometima lusu game eno aye manager fence Enzo Maresca and at the Sansem atudwa eno achi Liverpool team etnafi gom ene Nottingham Forest enable na manager fence answer to say we a Liverpool supporter ye fan to onim say one manager fence answer title race no enye eno no wo hwe yakọ FIFA international break abai ade ba kwa say team from Liverpool, and so I'm consistent. Yentel Liverpool manager, Jefferson Anslot.
No, I think I've said many times already that at this moment of time, we're not even thinking or talking about it. Actually, we didn't do this last season as well when we were top of the league. It's just about the next game. And I've said many times last season, and I say this season again as well, the best way to judge a league table is after 38 games, but the next best thing, in my opinion, is after 19 games. And let's see where we are then. But at this moment of time, the only focus we have is winning games of football, which it was actually.
Okay, we are Liverpool manager slot and our tenant can say a young league table and wash at the Liverpool and they say almost subsequent matches a do minimum. One be sending in about 38 games in the year and you baby a Liverpool team ebedi and slot and at the Sansem Atuja. Now they tell say and 5:30 p.m. and pay Beja or Newcastle. Now the time says Newcastle for phone papa and yes especially say Omobo I was in James Parker unim say the last best says games a team from say Newcastle United. Womabo in all competition Newcastle United Omarene matches nina and then Oman the Sky Blues of Manchester City enable na City boss ayo penny first Pep Guardiola head of Yami Atuma and then gamer Womokwa we else in James Park and manager no ekasai.
If we continue that squad fit, we'll compete every single game in every single competition. I don't have any doubts about that. Last season, we're not even compete in one competition. So when everybody is right now, when Koba will be a little bit later, but Rodri come back soon and everybody can be, of course, during the process they are injured. We know that. But as manager, I feel we can compete in every competition or be solid or try, at least try. So that's for sure.
No, I think I've said many times already that at this moment of time, we're not even thinking or talking about it. Actually, we didn't do this last season as well when we were top of the league. It's just about the next game. And I've said...
Okay, the Sky Blues of Man City, Omo manager, and our tenant Casa Pep Guardiola, Ekasa, send the squad and Obia Aya Fita, one slow Obia, Obetim Obiabo, and no Pep Guardiola and Sam Kakra, Wadi Tuja, and Ano Penny, Sempina, and the Matthew for El Show, live on Nhyira 104.5 FM. Jetessing and Kupoya to my watching a Sunday. Your match is Libya Ebasu Premier League. Now, the 10 Ochina 2 o'clock p.m. Leeds United, Ellen Road, and Aston Villa. Enable now for 4:30 p.m. at Emirates Stadium. The Gunners Arsenal Omutinafi one and the Tottenham Hotspurs enable now Mikel Arteta a manager Edma Arsenal was say for 2 p.m. North London Derby a big game. Now Yami do a chanking my Ebasu Omunim say Omu dominate team from Tottenham Hotspurs especially say team from Arsenal able fear and to some pepe and a call Yenti Arsenal one manager first Mikel Arteta.
It's just different. I mean, it's a big city, but it's a big rivalry. It's a part of London that we want to conquer. They want to do the same. There's been a lot of shifts as well over the years as well, who's been more dominant. And it's just beautiful, especially when we play at home. In front of our people, we know what it means to them and the energy that they're going to bring, the energy that the team is going to bring in every single action. And it's just a privilege to play those kind of games. So we cannot wait to get to Sunday. We've been very privileged the way that the fans have been with us at the Emirates.
Okay, ɛno Mikel Arteta Arsenal manager and I'm watching kana the attention opposite number Tottenham Hotspurs omo manager your friend say Thomas Frank now Thomas Frank say one my Tottenham Hotspurs kura no now when him the important of North London derby name the attention me aduma na number game eba so na se yankopo ya aduma china 4:30 game eba so Emirates Stadium no e was Tottenham Hotspurs omo ye dum betumi bia say bia omo she Arsenal we Spurs one manager friend say Thomas Frank.
Of course, before I stepped into the club, of course, I knew about the North London derby. But it's when you are in it, you sense it and feel that this is important. You feel from the fans, you feel from the staff members, the players, the people that's been working here for years. This is the big one. I always say the next one is the next game is the most important game, and I will always have that. But I'm very, very, very aware there's 2 games in a year. That's
okay. And a reaction from North London derby nyame adom china na eba so Emirates Stadium enano pay no jere wonsem ematefo nyina show no so na the ten say Monday night football eba so Premier League num na the ten say Monday 8:00 p.m. Old Trafford Manchester United fie wom and Everton enable na after match week 11 Premier League num no mame fantom nim say the Gunners Arsenal wom and the kan omo 26 points and watch the Sky Blues of Man City wom tosumi omo 22 points your Chelsea tosumi ansa wom 20 points Sunderland wom tosuna omo 19 after Tottenham Hotspur tosunum wom 18 after teams omo dis win omo 18 points Tottenham Hotspurs Aston Villa Manchester United Liverpool and after Bournemouth wom nyina 18 points in teams weekend we Oslepia asem ebato na the team say our top scoring chart Premier League ni mu no mame fanto nim say Erling Haaland and the kind war of 14 goals and which I got Thiago I was 8 goals your Danny Welbeck Antoine Semenyo and Jean Philippe Mateta woman yina ashe 6 goals apiece Brian Mbuemo 5 goals Eli Junior Krupi Jaden Anthony Joao Pedro Richarlison Wilson Isidore Eleman India Mohamed Salah Nick Votamada and Victor Gyökeres woman so yina ashe 4 goals apiece and on opinion the update MT for yina show so
well okay so yeah twas na fair ya in 70b at the Abayakato say you do live YouTube handle T uko YouTuber na odo comment in the Bible premier to me akinkan nyina de ama wa cheche awodo nyina enso eso na de tie ne mpato wonim say update free Bayern Munich akate ade aba on sa planted de Luis Diaz ono ana ma Ashraf Hakimi players isi ani kotodwe ho aka Ashraf Hakimi nano da Afcon wo ba be he de wa na ne Messi ko anka Morocco man person me ne kosi akan na bebia ye kwama ade mo ma niama enkoye fama na reporter men saka yes disciplinary committee ne kwatena se no wo mo chasa 3 matches ban ano me dia ma planted de Luis Diaz yakato se over UEFA Champions League na record bia 1 match ban na so mo kwatena se na so mo he se ade na we na ya ade atase ade how bia anase so anatase disciplinary committee ne bia ka ho enso dia ma reporter eba yes planted 3 matches ban no be me say anti against us and against Sporting CP and against ISN Gallant and now there's our planted no ebesia kan edema Bayern Munich boboko no eno ya reporter ya sakam e wodumade so na no pay keche kakra ade ama wansesa wodos na Hurricane eno da me baba ka to say yes ba so na for eta say omo hia goalkeeper and say omo hia striker or prolific striker enya fi na omo ba betete striker bia omo hia already made material sinti omo hia di na Branton de Hurricane na ye afa ni bo no kware 65 million euros enya ebo bia ta say was release cross no mutimi activate to me say ma ebekoye di amama na anopai ni kodin koma kakra ensom Bayern Munich akacha ya sa Branton say ni focus pa no Bayern Munich ana fe na ni die pa na impo say Bayern Munich bato Branton na wo men be sign new contract and say contract sense no munya ya na fe we team na ba be pa Branton na why wadwe say ene sikase no bibia be rise so atimi akoso beta Branton pa de was the focus pa this season Bayern Munich boboko na no ana pese water no bo Bayern Maniama kama edemo ma no ya reporter efi Hurricane akate eba wodwumade so na yesa nya de so de club bi empo edi nkobesi say yakase Barcelona say any other club anya de so ma reach out to Branton no eni na di nkoba nkasa entire no head so edi amame na promise na eno ada wodi Manchester United omo game omo ni Everton eba bebo no nkoba kakra ano so Everton for kwa no omo anya lucky kra say Everton for ye lucky pa nkakwabna what is Benjamin Sesko empra on Everton for and come wie esa game plan ya ba ko pe eno so be che Benjamin Sesko ahebotum ene game no betimi awene esa Benjamin Sesko so ogina Manchester United game a when Manchester boy ayefo pa esa Manchester bebo aye one plan pe omini plan bia biem nemom se Benjamin Sesko pra na Manchester United omo bo abranta de de Matthias Cunha anaso omo bo brand mbiomo anaso the other any other player beka ho a aye na Manchester United bo ba ne timi sisa Manchester etimi bo game no tania wo mu pe bia Benjamin Sesko wo dia game plan no ba ko pe no na top na hesro ha wunya yisu ho fim pe be and na tase case done enom aye report and part of promotion so edit Twitter na some no kano and the only plan of Manchester United ewo aye be miensa ada say on be the partnership ha enom aye Matthias Cunha afezazi ana brand mbiomo ana so be Mason Mount no mabo Matthias Cunha no mabo brand mbiomo ana so be mbiomo sexy aye Mason Mount ti atwa Manchester United plan on person musuno e use no yankoba kakra every Manchester kate edi aba na yasu ko Spain openya ni dini edi Miguel Angel Gallen wono ana yasi omu association bi e was Spain ho ye from aye the transparency na kwabra sankofo we no penyi pa wadano pa no e openya ni dini edi Miguel ano chase wadi openya ni deni Javier Tebes akokot na wadi wono ekokot na ye court of arbitration for aye sports no di openya no enso ko say nano da wakokwa inkata aye Barcelona sikasam e dia ba beto abonten amatasa Atletico Madrid the Fred dina so anasa Athletic Club bi ba o Fred dina so amoma to branta ni dina di pato adese ni ko William amfana ma Barcelona na wrong sadia no eni kwase na ko penyo no president anaso chairman Edema League no enso ya sadia nti ene wode akwakwata court of arbitration say wo mu hwe no nka bi amfama mo reporter men say ka say ekoba say ekoba Javier Tebes kwabna obetimi reprimande no anase na dwuma na nka so obetimi resign enso de afis na test La Liga ene wo pe chairman anaso mo president enkokoye Javier Tebes biem ane yankoba kakwa so etotwa ewo dwuma de so na no pay medi update kakra enso adi Adambo na Scott McTominay ni gwa na no da omene Denmark boy a wono so abo bicycle kick ade ball to atem yese bicycle kick aye bona sase so no de ewo wiem power player bi ebo he dia Scott McTominay enso ebo he no yesu o calculate the meters eno ye 2.53 meters wono ne de na ewo so pa player ba ko no so ade no ho aya branta de din ade polo hunto na polo no yentu die say no 2.41 meters ana Cristiano Ronaldo mbeke a tamo ko Juve no okobo bicycle kick bi ho eno ye 2.38 meters kwabna yese sam bicycle kick aye bona sase so no Scott McTominay mu player na mu cha no e man ko wono ne de ana tese e wo suri pa eno ye reporter eba e wo tumandie so na metiti bi from Manchester United yese Ruben Amorim from Ruben Amorim and Manchester for your imagine say wo African players wo mu ba be jo ma makwe e yo mo ya pa na ankom pese wo ni Cameroon Morocco e man ni din komo na fe Africos din komo na anka branche ni din di brand mbio mo jet kase ana aja amantero ana afe abranche ni din so ede Nazawi kwabra mo pese anka mo ni mpemfo ka ayo obia country eka na anka time anka so mo esa ede baba kana so wo mo ansu ko wo mo na set no anso on the 8th ana yeso obia ko on the 8th of December na team bia waja wo player okwakosi akande na man no waja na man so eko adam kwa de yeso Ruben Amorim makacha Manchester for say o mo ni mpemfo ka sani amoye na no da Afcon ewo Africos mo ye de ma ye kansa Andrew Onana no anka the same to Onana koye saade ne pem ado man pen asam da wo ni kuro mu ho yeso aka say ye bi e de ama ye kansa na zo wi mo ana brand mbio na fe Amadialo na yeso Manchester say anka on besra anka omunya ne be on the 20th wo kra anka omope emomo ahwe ana anka anka sent no anka on the 15th of December ana anka mrante no wo mu nkonkodu and this amani Cameroon for ka no betia say de akwabna mo players no wo meko on the 15th this answer on the 20th ana tese a kick off for the Afcon nti ani a reporter etotwa e wo dwuma de so na no pe no eba e wo dwuma de so na no pe ye de kaka e de adana mamemfa Enzo Maresca sansa na de twaso na kwabna Enzo Maresca si yanka mo bi anta say saade empenu no sabe before baby say kwase ahwe a yentia so mprenu kwabena wutia so mprenu na ko empremia sape na tese wani da ho na why dey say no wudi be di abro na to be azam ne ege a baba si na no da in the month of October your national break by Chelsea 12:30 na mu di agya no de na voice for forest mu amoma kangu yeswa yankasa yekobo we nso ba ya mo se yesa ni ban phone konko bonus de bi adabraka nyame anim nie wiase de se ye yuti ni wankasa atini wa behu card bi e betwa wo no nyasam koto agradi kwabena we do peizu akasem mane ntoso miensa o ka chebe for aliki kom sa brofo no in fact ya dozo wa Chelsea ye this now you know ya head and pen sa enti anu ya reporter o payne adututwa odumade so na owie no te se ko pa ma pra no was wa do ekobo 12 also say ni for renge when me Chelsea team doctors no 11 p.m. there me Nhyira da na amane and also baba ko ofia wakwa pro ano bisa se hwan ano mo se kopam o se wiade Jesus Christ o se wada di bisa se e die na si no se o se kopam akwa kopla na o kan na se job se ai o pay no se enya agro na medio sa papa na meka no anado 12 pepe 11 ekobo 12 na ejo mo friend o se in fact kopama de ende ade a chese na ha adwene ye partner kopama omo obeboni omo Chelsea no emu nchiremu no ye nchiri pay no enso the two edwai
okay nti yento aso na ye first stories ni bi emetefo yina e o show no na de tense kopama de aseme because ye game against Barça ne de na ye gidie pass o senga kopama e available sense sa game no we be show bia waso be hye wan hwa bragging right o kromo ase no e free wonsa adwuma kura no hwa wontimi mabi etinyame ya aduma game ne de kopama e mo bi ne mo e beba so na ye ka Enzo Maresca wonsem onim Sandra e na Enzo Maresca e be ka say kopama e won say game o team mo bi ne mo Chelsea Omaya ready say game no mebo e de team je from say FC Barcelona na according to Chelsea manager no was say over Chelsea kopama ati say de wako Man City na omo player ye fan say Erling Haaland na wako Liverpool na omo abrantie fan say Mohamed Salah enti kopama e important player e ma team ye from say Chelsea na was say ade wako nani anje ene say em say the last best 11 games team ye from say Chelsea abo abrantie fan say kopama emo bi unim say Chelsea awene makomako 8 the last 11 games elma Chelsea abna tefo say kopama emo bi Chelsea awene 8 Chelsea without kopama boys no aye adwuma manager no say nani ajepa say boys no adapt quickly na omo ye adwuma ne kama adema team from say Chelsea eno aye kakra Enzo Maresca what atu jana no panyere wonsem emetefo nyina e o show no so na Chelsea for ne de na omo plans ene say abna tefo say kopama nyame adwuma ene wi agema eba so no enka kopama emo full 90 minutes ebi second half omo de bebam na wabe gani energy kakra nyame adwuma nka Tuesday wo me start no against team je from say FC Barcelona nemom am koba ne sa kopama asa kopra na ye say Chelsea for no ayo madwe say nyame adwuma Tuesday before kick off we will the main entrance at Stamford Bridge wo me say nka omo ye ade a je fer say ice sculpture edema abrantia je fer say kopama nti Richard hwe ena da so no enti ask coach anti kabasa fo no beduru no na esiwo cold na uni an disa gunbo ye ka kire se bia wura no eche Antarctica enyiru enti o so hwe huye enti we enoma Chelsea fo edi gu akwam senka ombe edema ko pama no mdia welcome no edema tima ye from say Chelsea na no pay no jere won some emetifo nyina e o show no so na away from Chelsea yenko team from Real Madrid na ukon Madrid as say Abrantia je fais say Vinicius Junior man for GDA pass away important player enti e was a contract no more renew na on say ukospina na ebi mu giri say sound fallout Abrantia fan say Vinicius Junior and the manager for say Gabi Alonso e konya an shanka madefo no go me gem am Abrantia for say Vinicius Junior akọ nem another pay reporter mimi say ka from Spain and say Vinicius Junior and Comodia course between one team from Real Madrid no akwa chipa engine contract renewal ebeya juma edema abrante fence Vinicius Junior na madefon consider say important player enti also contract am renew edema no eno Vinicius Junior kakra efi na so eba na already medical catch say ene na Barça phone return and across Spotify company na on say my catch say after 2 years 5 months 25 days wo kabuma 909 days afi na Barça return and across Spotify company na unim say current Barça omu place ekuto omu say no your place ni bua omu mobo e company da ba ko e goalkeeper first Juan Garcia eno achi Pau Kubasi Fermin Lopez Dani Olmo Gerard Martin Marc Casado Marc Bernard any Rooney Badge woman and ometima make your debut company edematima je from se Barça na no pay no je dey won some emetifo nyina show no so na Robert Lewandowski woni bobo pa na enya ball no kwa go no so onim she na was say headmaster ball no fawie ma e wona bo say Robert Lewandowski quality player ball woni ball na onim say ever since Lewandowski every by Munchen eba tima you from se Barça no Jemime second say was 108 goals edema tima je from se Barça na the thing say aka 12 goals na Barça top 10 all time best players and as a player almost more goals edema tima you from se Barça wawuram na the meme second say Barça legend defense Hristo Stoichkov was 110 goals na che say aka 2 goals per na wache Hristo Stoichkov and wache Joseph Escola one also as 120 enti enche obachino na the thing say your Carlos Rechak Patrick Kluivert, woman so as 122. Afe Mariano Martin, 129. Rivaldo Samuel Eto'o, 113. Robert Lewandowski, MC Ho, and then 130. No, say what Timito Rivaldo Eto'o Samuel Eto'o dia. MC Barça legend in Omode. Around defense Robert Lewandowski ebe kanwa. And I no pay ne un sepina. And my telephone na show so. Na yeka Robert Lewandowski e un semno. On say Robert Lewandowski every by Munchen eba no. Na Barça manager Xavi Hernandez na yese Barça dintia omupame Xavi Hernandez and say Robert Lewandowski any penifon ekodin komo esanse tema wono oba ni ujane na super okay 2020 nka yeto Ballon d'Or abatona enka blante first Robert Lewandowski wono enka ebeje ede sini na so esanse 2020 team from say Bayern Munchen won age trouble e Europe eno agino Robert Lewandowski ese more goals na ne money bo aso anipa etina okuta winning mentality na yese oba Barça or Xavi Diaz dabi na manager beni manager yese ne kodresi manyehwe dabi Barça enyoma de sa eti woni penifon ekodin kuma ne penifon gitum se em se omoni player e adwen eno aka wo bi na Barça fo no wumja ema mu manager ye France Xavi Hernandez ekoye ena revelation aba na no pay no jere won sam ema tiefo nyina e show no so na oba Premier League ma me kaipa em se 3 days ago Gabi tunam ebe ye normal ka e Premier League na enano pe report me say can say Premier League for no andra omukwa asetena na clubs ni na akoto aba agiatum sa akwagiatum say new financial rules mo person mo de ba no say clubs ni na akwagi atum na the thing say omo replace ade first profitability and sustainability rule and first PSR no woman replace no na replacement am squad cost ratio and what is sustainability systematic and systemic resilience measures and of omodiaba na the me say kan sinyame aduma from 2026-2027 season and as measures ni na chance ayaduma na the entire Premier League for akwesa and say your clubs ni bo on say wo mutimi eto omo asset na omodia balance omo books eno na Premier League for gidi pass omo nyom no masa enti omo yi ade afiri ho eno kakra afiri ho be na no pen ade wonsem ema tiefo nyina e show no so okuma Manchester United okay Alessandro Martinez opera ya che the me say kasinyame ya aduma Manchester United game omo bo Monday ade team from say Everton no Lisandro Martinez available na Andra El Carrington Lisandro Martinez when any manager for say Ruben Amorim edin komo na enkomodi e course no unim say player no e ka che manager say afedie gono kasa ehwe ni mpuma ne hoye gobetima bonyame aduma Monday game eba so no eno Lisandro Martinez na Manchester United nyame aduma nesama gum 2 players e was omotomo bako Carlos anasa abrante for say Casemiro woni abrante for say Jadon Sancho woman nyina Manchester United for say wombe tomu na gentle Manchester United etom say United for say also almost service car na ombe save 31 million pounds and wages are 2 players in omoje eti Manchester United for gidi pass e was scan almost save to 31 million pounds omobe tom abrante e for say Casemiro and Jadon Sancho na magis no e dey go omobe to Maguire wasina ka anima team you from say Crystal Palace na obeka sama mu no ekadwie enka okotima from say Liverpool nemom dey ten say enoma anhira nkoyi ama sa deal no fail na de me say kan say Liverpool for GDA pass still e was say abrante for say Maguire wo moto no e san say nyame ya tuma nesama abrante for say Virgil van Dijk obenya 35 years wo nyini enuachi Ibrahima Konate still on a contract Wednesday enti e was mo pone replacement eno na Liverpool for GDA pass Maguire wono en so e was say omoto no na no pay no jere won sem emetie fo nyina e o shoro sina abrante a je fe say Romeo Lavia akopra de te say Enzo Maresca say nyame ya aduma boy no rehabilitation at Everton no gumuni come on the first 1 month enti 1 month no omo de hwe enche say 1 month over 10 you 1 month no omo de hwe enti 1 month no echi no na omo hwe say abrante fe say Romeo Lavia waye kama say obetima obo enema Chelsea na ando omo di nkomo boy na so nyanto base e ma ne body na bibia e kama edema na Richard de ten say ene historic day is say ene onim say ene asamoja birthday
as a modern.
Then when you're 40 years.
The baby jet. Striker papa.
Now, the record back with the match off.
Yeah.
We say all-time top scorer, Edma Black Stars now. Were the first player in the history of football. I will say goals in 9 consecutive international tournaments.
Wow. As a modern or a big go.
On your small players.
Yeah. The baby jet.
On your small player.
The baby jet on your small player. The happy birthday. Nyaminshano. Na Uncle Suama na Hoden. Na onozo whatever nimdibia unyai ebra bobo no obetimi dibia aboan titiru ene yem Black Stars no enti Andy Costa and the Gabi the foreigner at this point ma kwetimo obetimi akọ so mkope bibini na